How to unblur Tinder likes for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you the process on how you can see who likes your profile on Tinder without having to buy the premium version. So stick with me till the end and let's get right into it. In order to see the likes on Tinder for free, you need to download this extension of Chrome, which is called Violent Monkey. You can search for Violent Monkey Chrome and open up this option. From here, you can add this extension to your Chrome. And once the extension has been added, click on the Violent Monkey option and click on the settings. Once you're here, click on the plus on the top and click on install from URL. Here you can type in this URL, which is https://bit.ly script-tinder2022. You can type in this link and then click on OK. Once you do, a next page will open up. Click on confirm installation and this script will be added. Now you can open up tinder.com and click on likes. Once you do, you can see the people who liked your profile on Tinder. So that's the process on how to unblur likes on Tinder without having the premium version or without having the gold. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.